Solving another question, please see. Show in triangle ABC that sigma cot A is equal to sigma A square by 4 delta. Left hand side. Sigma cot A. Sigma cot A, actually cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C, I am not writing all that. I am straight away starting, please see. Sigma cot A cos A by sin A. You can write cot A plus cot B plus cot C, that is only giving more time for the simple work. Cos A by sin A, cos B by sin B, cos C by sin C we have to write, we are not doing. Sigma is there, we will utilize sigma fully. Cos A, there is a formula, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Cos A formula, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Sin A, there is a formula, 2 delta by BC. I want to remind you, please see here. Cos A formula you already know, still I am quoting. Sin A is equal to 2 delta by BC. This formula also has been done in the beginning of this chapter. Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Sin A is 2 delta by BC. I am proceeding. I am preserving sigma. Please see carefully. Numerator B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC into BC by 2 delta. Understand what I have done. B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, the fraction of numerator as it is. The fraction of denominator 2 delta by BC is inverted, BC by 2 delta. Sigma B square plus C square minus A square by 4 delta. BC cancel. Listen one important thing now. Sigma applies to ABC. Sigma A plus B plus C. Sigma B plus C plus A, likewise. Sigma applies to ABC. It doesn't apply to constants like 4 delta etc. So 4 delta I am pulling it out of sigma. B square plus C square minus A square. In one of the previous examples you have seen sigma B square, sigma C square, sigma A square. I am writing sigma B square, sigma C square, sigma A square by 4 delta. And you know sigma B square, sigma C square, sigma A square all are same. So let me write sigma A square for all. Delta. Cancelling these two, you have got sigma A square by 4 delta. Before proceeding further, I want you to listen to me now. Please note, because of sigma, we have been able to save so much of time, not space, only time. Time is saved because of sigma. Sigma is there, we have fully utilized sigma. Otherwise, you have to write cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Then cos A by sin A, cos B by sin B, cos C by sin C. Similar formula for cos A by sin A, similar formula for cos B by sin B, similar formula for cos C by sin C. It will make the work lengthy. Besides that, it will consume lot of time. Sigma is given for your benefit. Please understand, utilize sigma fully well and don't have any confusion in sigma. Before proceeding further, please see this note. I have already said sigma denotes summation. So sigma A, sigma B, sigma C you have already seen. Now I am introducing pi. This is capital letter pi, the Greek capital letter. Pi. This pi denotes product. As sigma denotes summation, pi denotes product. How it denotes? Please see. A into B into C is merely written pi A. Sigma A plus B plus C. Pi A into B into C, product. See one more example. Pi cot A. It means cot A into cot B into cot C. Once again, pi A plus B. Had it been sigma, it is summation. It is pi product. A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. This is a note about pi. Pi also may come somewhere. As sigma is utilized fully, please utilize pi also. See the question here. I am not solving this question. Please see. Show in triangle ABC that sigma cos A by A is equal to sigma A square by 2 pi A. Pi A means ABC. So when you solve that question, you will get denominator 2 ABC, which you have to write pi A as required. Another question, A by BC plus cos A by A, B by CA plus cos B by B, C by AB plus cos C by C. You have to prove all three are equal. Simplify this one by taking LCM, you will get something. This also you simplify, you will get the same thing. Again you simplify that, you will get the same thing. All the three results will be the same. A by BC plus cos A by A, take LCM, it will become A square plus BC cos A by ABC, etc. Please solve. If you don't get, let us see. I am solving another question. Please see now. If C is equal to 60 degrees, show that A by B plus C plus B by A plus C is equal to 1. First bit being solved. Since C is 60 degrees, therefore cos C is cos 60 degrees, applying cosine. Don't say taking cosine, there is no taking giving, applying cosine. Cos C is equal to cos 60. Cos C, we have a formula, A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Cos 60, 1 by 2. 2 will cancel, cross multiply. A square plus B square minus C square is equal to AB. Understand fully well. 2 and 2 will cancel, AB will come this side on cross multiplication. A square plus B square minus C square is equal to AB, or may I say A square plus B square minus AB is equal to C square. A square plus B square minus AB is equal to C square. C square shifted, AB also transposed this side. You have to prove A by B plus C, B by A plus C is equal to 1. Let us proceed. LCM. A into A plus C, B into B plus C. Don't say A into A plus C, we are not cross multiplying. It is LCM, B plus C into A plus C, B plus C cancels, A into A plus C cancel, B into B plus C. Don't say cross multiplication, this is not cross multiplication. This is LCM work. Numerator. a square plus ac expanded, b square plus bc further expanded. Numerator a square plus ac, b square plus bc, denominator ab plus bc plus ac or ca whatever plus c square. See the work. A square plus ac plus b square plus bc is the numerator, denominator multiplying by b ab, multiplying by b bc, multiplying by c ca or ac, c into c square. Rewrite a square plus ac, not changing anything. Denominator ab plus bc plus ac, c square I have just found out. A square plus b square minus ab is c square. I am substituting for c square. A square plus b square minus ab. You can write using number 1. C square is written a square plus b square minus ab. Let us proceed. Keeping numerator untouched, a square plus ac plus b square plus bc, denominator there is one cancellation ab and ab. What is remaining? Let us write down as it is, bc plus ac plus a square plus b square. After cancellation of first and the last terms, ab cancels ab, you are left with bc plus ac plus a square plus b square. You can see now numerator and denominator are identically equal. A square here, ac here, b square here, bc here, both are identically equal. So, this is equal to 1. The second bit of the previous question, please see. b by c square minus a square plus a by c square minus b square is equal to 0, we have to prove. Same condition, c is equal to 60 degrees, you will reach c square is equal to a square plus b square minus ab. This value you have to substitute here. I am not solving, I am giving a hint only. Please see, b by c square, this is c square. Here minus a square, b by c square minus a square, again a by same c square minus b square. It is only a hint, it is not a solution. For solution you have to start like this. Since c is equal to 60 degrees, reach here and now you take LHS, b by c square minus a square, c by a by c square minus b square, and do this work. So, I am giving only a hint, please see. Numerator a square cancels, b square minus ab. Here b square cancels, a square minus ab. You simplify this one, you will get 0. I am not solving. You simplify, you will get 0. There is nothing to show in that. Proceeding for another question. If 1 by a plus c, 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, show that angle c is 60 degrees. Solving this question, a question asked in your examinations many times, please see. One by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. You have to show c is equal to 60 degrees. Proceeding. Here LCM. A plus c cancel, b plus c here. Into 1 you need not write, a plus c. is equal to 3 by A plus B plus C. B plus C here, A plus C here, by A plus B into B plus C is the LCM. Right side is not touched at all. Numerator I am writing, please see, A plus B plus 2C. See the numerator. A plus B plus 2C is the numerator. Denominator I am expanding it now. AB plus AC plus BC plus C square. AB plus AC BC plus C square. AB plus AC BC plus C square divided by is equal to 3 by A plus B plus C. Time for cross multiplication, please see. 3 into AB plus AC plus BC plus C square, 3 into AB plus AC plus BC plus C square, A plus B plus 2C into A plus B plus C. Three AB, 3 AC plus 3 BC plus 3 C square is equal to, you have to multiply these two. You can multiply in any way you like. I am multiplying like this, A plus B into A plus B whole square, 2C plus C into A plus B plus 2C into C, 2C square. Want to see this multiplication? I am showing A plus B into A plus B whole square, 2C plus C, A plus B, 2C square. How this has come? Please see here. There is a formula in lower classes, x plus A into x plus B if you are multiplying, x square plus A plus B plus AB. Otherwise, you can multiply by any other method also, multiplying all by A, multiplying all by B, multiplying all by 2C, you can multiply, it will only make the work lengthy. Saving time, using this formula of lower classes, x plus A into x plus B, x square, A plus B, x plus AB, my x is A plus B here. So, A plus B whole square, 2C plus C, A plus B plus 2C square. Proceeding. 3AB plus 3AC plus 3BC plus 3C square is equal to, open, A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is 3C into A plus B plus 2C square. You can see once again 3AB plus 3AC plus 3BC plus 3C square as it is. Multiplying this one, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2C plus C is 3C into A plus B plus 2C square. 3AB, left hand side is not being disturbed. Right hand side simplifying, A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 3AC plus 3BC plus 2C square. Time has come to simplify. Left hand side as it is, this is A square plus B square plus 2AB, 3AC plus 3BC plus 2C square. Please see now, this is 3C square, this is 2C square, shifting this side. 2C square is being shifted this side, all other terms will lie there only. A square plus B square plus 2AB, the 3AB comes here, minus 3AB, 3BC here, please see, cancelling 3BC. So I am not writing 3BC. Once again, 3AB plus 3AC plus 3BC plus 3C square, A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 3AC plus 3BC plus 2C square. Now this is 3C square. I am taking this C square, 2C square here minus 2C square, all other terms lying on the left right hand side. A square plus B square plus 2AB, this 3AB has come minus 3AB, this 3BC, please see, cancels this 3BC. Once again, please see very carefully, 3AC also cancels. Nothing remains here except this. Once again, please see here, 3AB, here it is minus 3AB, 3AC cancels 3AC. If you want, I will mark 3AC cancelling 3AC and 3BC cancelling 3BC. Though not necessary, I am marking for your understanding. 3C square minus 2C square is equal to all this. I am proceeding. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. See here, A square plus B square minus AB, or may I write AB is equal to A square plus B square minus C square. C square shifted that side. A square plus B square minus C square is equal to by AB. This AB also shifted here. A square plus B square minus C square by AB. Please see once again, 3C square minus 2C square, C square, A square plus B square minus AB written as it is. So A square plus B square minus AB, A square plus B square, C square shifted here, AB shifted here. So this AB also shifted here. Now your formula is A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB is equal to cos C. This is your formula. I don't have 2 here, I am supplying. To AB, dividing both sides by 2, this is cos C. And you know cos 60 is 1 by 2. You can do by any other method also, the work is same. Now, please see this question. If in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C into minus A plus B plus C is equal to 3BC, find the value of angle A and hence find tan A plus cot A. This question is going for homework, please solve. However, I am giving a hint for this one, please see. Given B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A is equal to 3BC. This is given. Open B plus C whole square minus A square is equal to 3BC. B plus C whole square into minus A square, that is A plus B into A minus B, A square by B square, 3BC. B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square is equal to 3BC. Proceed further, I am not solving. This question does not require any hint, just substitute the formula for cos C. See here, this one. Substitute the formula for cos C, substitute the formula of cos B, you will get this answer. Same thing here, tan B by cot C also, exactly the same thing, sin B by cos B, sin C by cos C. See here, this second one I am giving one more hint. Tan B cot C is actually tan B by tan C. Tan B is sin B by cos B. And tan C is sin C by cos C. Tan B by tan C, sin B by cos B, sin C by cos C. Rewriting, sin B by cos B into invert this one cos C by sin C. The last step of my hint, sin B by sin C into cos C by cos B. This is B by C, small b by small c, cos C there is a formula, cos B there is a formula, you substitute, you will get that answer. I am not solving further. If you don't get, you can ask again.